push it up. So you push it down. I push this down.
Hold on, wait.
If you want to do like a row at a time, we can just.
My mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
Hey you guys, it's the next day. I didn't do no proper intro, but today I'm going to my tattoo appointment. I'm literally finna leave now, but I gotta go get something to eat first because I have not ate and I'm like kind of starving. So that's that. I'm excited. Like, it's been a minute since I got a tattoo. The last time I got a tattoo was in August, and that was the one behind my ear. So yeah, I'm just excited. I'm ready. Like, yeah. I'm probably not gonna be able to like record the process because, yeah, like, I'm not bringing my camera. I'm gonna just show y'all afterwards, and afterwards I'm gonna have to go get some soap to clean it with and a few more essentials I need. So yeah. Okay, I'm back home, y'all. I'm so tired. Discombobulated everything. We didn't even start on time. My appointment was at 12:45. We didn't even start till like probably like 1:30-ish, but I didn't get done till like 5 something. But this is the finished product. I'm gonna put a picture because I'm not taking this off until I'm finna get in the shower, but it's really cute. I like it. Yeah, and my package got delivered. These are so freaking cute. Like, I told myself I didn't like 5s for real, but these, even though everybody got them, they cute. Like, I can't even lie. And I got fits. I can't wait to post with them. Like, oh my god. And then on top of that, I get my hair done tomorrow. Y'all ain't ready for me. I'm telling you, y'all ain't ready for me. But yeah, my hair appointment tomorrow is at 4 o'clock. So yeah. But y'all, this tattoo hurts so freaking bad. Like, I wanted to tap out. I was this close to tapping out. I was going through it. I'm hungry. Like that was the longest it took for me to get a tattoo. I mean, I did get a lot of shading, but yeah, and it's the most painful, y'all, especially when we got to right here. Oh my god, and it still hurt. But yeah, that's all I was doing for today. I'm gonna take out my hair tonight.
He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Round with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I was still got a pass in the hood, call it even go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bright, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna live the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Follow tourists. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner the promise. God, the theory. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know walk her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
The rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Lost and coppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I broke my see is about 5,000 months. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run from my collar, we stacking up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them drippin' little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BML. Think I'm deaf, got phones in my right or left. And you can't got the car, ain't no key in but the well. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Young Scott, Scully, really in the prison. Kinda 50 flying, Richard Mello. But the game to the temple, the colors, the flavor to the temple. Yo, I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a tip.
It is so freaking hot outside, like I can't. I'm finna go to Rainbow to return this dress. I had a vision for an outfit, but the shoes ain't look right with it, so we just gonna take it back. But yeah, and I'm gonna go to the grocery store because we ain't got no type of stuff to cook in the morning when you wake up, like nothing. Tired of waking up starving, nothing to eat. Tired of buying food every time I get hungry. I'm not doing that, so yeah. That's that. What else? And I'm gonna go buy that protein powder I was talking about in my last vlog, because I really need that, because I haven't been eating a lot lately due to the fact that we ain't got no food for real, and when I be working doubles, I don't be having like time to eat because I don't wake up early. So yeah, but we finna go. Hurry up, take care of this, come back, because we got stuff to do today.
Into my taste, come on that face. I am a Mufasa genius. Baby, come fuck for no reason. I mean the mama and me the grandmama when I wanna fuck the little lady. I wanna move without my guy. I did, I fucked that little bottom. Mama nut on the booty, she shine like a pop. OG. Yeah. Ooh, green. Hot shit. I'm back where I'm motherfucking left. Dead for a major fucking comeback. Rock the fucking show. Mr. Brazy hoe. Mr. Brazy hoe. Hey nigga used to pull up on a mail truck. If you ask me, it feel good.
Okay, I'm back from my hair appointment. I did my makeup because I was bored, but I'm gonna take it off. But yeah, the hair is really cute. Like, how's your nigga for real? I'm just playing. But I probably should have dyed my leave out like I did last time, but it's okay. Like, it's not too bad, but yeah. But I'm gonna get ready for bed and stuff. So that's it for today. Hey y'all, it is Tuesday. I just woke up not too long ago. It's like finna be 1 o'clock. But today we're gonna go see Sinners. I've been wanting to go see it, but I was trying to wait around to, you know, go with somebody. But I'm gonna just go by myself because I don't need nobody to go with me anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go see that at 3:30. I'm gonna go ahead and find something to wear and go ahead and get ready. And then after the movies, I plan on going to TJ Maxx to just look around, you know, see if I can find something for Mother's Day, and see if I found this dress I seen. I doubt they have it, but we gonna go and see. So yeah, let me put on my clothes and get myself together, and let's see y'all when we're at the movies.
There are legends of people born with the gift of making music.
I'm back from the movies, y'all. That movie was real good. 10 out of 10. If you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and go see it. But I just pulled up to TJ Maxx. Gonna go see what they got. Okay, I'm in the fitting room, y'all. They had the dress that I was talking about. So I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna show y'all. This is what it look like. I'm trying to like into my soft era a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Alright, this is the dress. I'm not gonna get it. The color is cute, not gonna lie, but right now it's just not giving. Like, I don't know. What y'all think?